Most people believe a bowl of oatmeal is one of the healthiest breakfasts you can eat, and they're absolutely right. But here's what most seniors are never told. After the age of 60, your arteries naturally begin to stiffen. Circulation slows, and plaque can quietly build over time. Oatmeal alone is a great start, but by itself, it often isn't strong enough to protect aging blood vessels. What you add to your oatmeal can make the difference between keeping your arteries flexible or allowing them to slowly clog. In this video, you'll discover 5 simple, natural ingredients that can support blood flow, reduce cholesterol buildup, and protect your heart, starting with one most people completely overlook. Before we continue, let us know in the comments, how old are you, and where are you watching from? And if this video helps you in any way, make sure to like and subscribe. Let's begin the countdown. Ingredient number 5, cinnamon. Most people think cinnamon is just a flavor enhancer, but after 60, it becomes something much more important. As we age, the body becomes less efficient at handling blood sugar spikes, especially after years of processed foods. Excess sugar sticks to proteins in your blood vessels, making artery walls stiff and inflamed. This process is called glycation, and it's one of the major drivers of aging arteries. Cinnamon helps slow how quickly carbohydrates turn into sugar. That means calmer blood sugar, less damage to your artery walls, and smoother blood flow. Research shows regular cinnamon intake can improve insulin sensitivity and reduce fasting blood sugar, helping arteries stay flexible and resilient. Cinnamon is also rich in antioxidants that protect blood vessels from inflammation and oxidative stress. Choose Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon, which is gentler and safer for regular use. A small daily sprinkle can make a meaningful difference. Ingredient number 4, extra virgin olive oil. This one surprises most people. A small drizzle of extra virgin olive oil over oatmeal can be incredibly powerful for your arteries. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in polyphenols, natural compounds that calm inflammation, improve blood vessel elasticity, and reduce LDL cholesterol buildup. Studies show people who regularly consume olive oil experience better blood pressure, improved circulation, and significantly lower heart disease risk. But there's something even more important. Olive oil doesn't just protect your arteries, it helps your body absorb nutrients from the other ingredients in your oatmeal more effectively. Always choose extra virgin cold-pressed olive oil. Never cook it. Heat destroys its beneficial compounds. Just drizzle it over your oatmeal after cooking. Ingredient number 3, blueberries. Blueberries are small, but incredibly powerful. Their deep blue color comes from anthocyanins, antioxidants that protect the inner lining of your arteries. Over time, free radicals damage artery walls, making them rough and stiff, creating the perfect environment for plaque buildup. Blueberries help neutralize that damage. Studies show daily blueberry intake improves arterial flexibility and increases nitric oxide, a compound that helps blood vessels relax and widen. Better circulation means warmer hands and feet, steadier energy, clearer thinking, and improved stamina. Fresh or frozen blueberries both work beautifully. Avoid sugary syrups or canned versions. Ingredient number 2, ground flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of the most underrated heart-supporting foods. They're rich in soluble fiber, which binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract and helps remove it before it can harden into plaque. Think of flax seeds as a gentle internal sweep for your arteries. They also provide plant-based omega-3, fats that calm inflammation and support smooth blood flow. Important tip, always use ground flax seeds. Whole seeds often pass through undigested. Many seniors notice better circulation, steadier energy, and easier breathing after making flax a daily habit. Ingredient number 1, walnuts. This is the most powerful and most surprising ingredient on the list. Walnuts contain a rare combination of omega-3 fats, antioxidants, and an amino acid called L-arginine. L-arginine helps your body produce nitric oxide, the signal that tells arteries to relax and open. As we age, nitric oxide production declines. That's one reason circulation worsens over time. Walnuts help restore that process naturally. Studies show daily walnut intake improves blood vessel flexibility, lowers triglycerides, and supports healthier blood pressure. Just a small handful each morning can help your arteries behave years younger. Add them after cooking so their healthy oils stay intact. You can use all 5 ingredients together or slowly add them over time. These foods are natural, but always listen to your body. If you have medical conditions or take medications, speak with your healthcare provider before making major dietary changes. This video is for educational purposes and does not replace medical advice. By adding just a few simple ingredients to your oatmeal, you're not just eating breakfast, you're actively caring for your heart. Small daily habits can create powerful long-term changes. If this video helped you, please like, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe to Dolgrow Health for more science-backed guidance to help you stay strong, clear-minded, and independent. Remember, every morning is a new opportunity to support your heart, one bowl at a time.